Okay, ladies, while I deliberate, you may go all and talk.
Let's go in your house. Pasok na takes. Oh my gosh.
Hi, ugly. Sit
What do we
down.
feel?
Sit down, guys. Let's have and talk. Whether are you guys happy for your critic?
I'm so sad. I
Yes,
feel
I'm
like
happy so
I
much.
feel like ate, ate. Anyways, I'm so disappointed
Really,
because
love
all the
winner,
critics
guys.
are negative towards akin. So I
I
feel like
think you
I'm gonna be in
deserve
the
that.
bottom.
I think you deserve to be critiqued like that. Just saying.
I feel like, yeah, kasi rush naman talaga yung outfit ko, nawalan ako ng ideas. And as for Riley, na dapat nasa bottom,
Ooh.
I think, sister,
Oh,
I,
don't
Yeah,
block someone
I
if
feel,
your outfit is ugly.
oh.
but your outfit is cute though. It's cute.
But it's cute.
no, it was
Yes.
rush, it was rush. Ano, I was aiming for, a better than this. It was so rush kasi
Hindi,
I
wag di
don't
mo
have,
gusto ng compliment.
I
Putang
don't have
ina
enough
mo.
time. Let's say na I was struggling to make a concept. I was struggling sa execution. And as for Riley,
But
hmm,
that's
Because you're
our fault.
trying.
Di namin kasalanan kung naubusan ka
I
ng
mean,
concept.
I think Riley's
I
concept is a bit more better than yours because it's like
Oh,
I've seen it done, but like Riley, I mean I've seen it done, but it's like
because wait, you will talk when I'm done.
Ah,
bitch, you are done talking. Like, girl, what the fuck?
give
No,
us
Yeah,
chance to
like,
talk
no,
too.
I'm
Bugs.
still
yeah, like,
talking. I'm
you
still
were
Yeah.
done
talking.
talking. You were done talking. You were done shit talking, Riley, and I was like,
Yeah,
Riley's concept is like much better. So like,
yes.
what's up with that?
Stop,
Yeah,
stop making
you
everything
think that
about
no one is interested in your opinions.
stop making about stop making everything about you because
And anyways,
it's
the
not
reason why
relevant.
Riley's look is beautiful and gorgeous because did she perf- did she perform her look? No.
And
During the runway,
I think
she did not
Riley's
perform
outfit
her
was
look.
better than Lux. Because Lux's outfit was trash, babe.
Well,
Yana, stop. Stop. Baka ikaw kagating ko.
Girl,
I love.
I'm thinking Fauna and
Pero
um
I think na
is
everyone did a wonderful job naman. Ang ganda ng mga look nyo. My
except
only
you.
concern is
Except
that
you too.
the reason why maganda yung look ni Riley because hindi siya nag-perform ng look niya. She had more time na mag-ayos. Kasi why? Hindi siya nag-perform.
You just rehearse your lip sync. Oh.
Everyone did a wonderful job. Wala akong sinasabi na pangit yung look nyo. My point is just, kaya maganda yung look ni Riley kasi hindi siya
Girls,
nag-perform.
stop.
Hindi
Girls,
siya
stop.
naglakad.
Girls, stop pointing Riley, okay? Stop pointing Riley. We get your point.
like exactly. Why do you keep attacking her? Like,
Oh, yeah.
you're not
Stop.
even wearing heels. Where's your heels, mama?
Girl,
Bakit?
tinanggal ko yung heels ko.
Well, you can put it on
And
when she announces that you're in the bottom two in the lip sync. You can put it on.
Girl,
Oh.
gusto
And
mo
practice your song.
pa yung
If
heels
you know
mo,
that you're
girl.
gonna be bottom.
anyway,
Gusto mo focus sa yung heels mo.
Riley Locke said that you you have a good outfit because you have time. Like, di ka daw nag-perform sa stage.
yes, correct. Am I lying? No.
I'm a liar.
Ay, amat
Bitch,
sabi.
this scout is so loud. Shut up, bitch.
Wait, why didn't like Riley perform? Why didn't she perform though?
Because she was struggling and should have been in the bottom.
So I think kay
No,
stop pointing
my
guys. For
question is
me,
my question is very genuine, so you should answer it very genuine.
Give her respect, please.
So, Lux, I have a question for Lux. Lux, are you saying that the host is being unfair? Is that what you're trying to say?
No. No,
Tama po.
no. I love
It's like
Oraline.
it's like you're questioning her judgment.
Bakla magtira ka naman ng ano te, pulutan, leche ka.
But like your dress is giving basic. I would see this being worn by a lady at a gala or something. But like you see what
And
really is
hello,
wearing.
I just
He has a
have
much better
like
concept than you, babe. Your
love
dress looks
sleep.
like it's from Amazon, girl, but it's titled high fashion.
It's giving
Yeah.
HMM.
Enough with talking about
It
Lux.
is
Let's talk
like
Y'all
about
are
Venus
dirty.
and girl. I'm
no,
talking. Enough with the talk about Lux's outfit. Let's talk about Venus and exquisite outfit. It looks really, really good. I like it.
I love
that
Thank you so much.
Venus
My
outfit.
inspiration was, the Ferris wheels at the park. It's just like very lively, and I chose to
Venus
replicate. I
and
mean,
have a same. Yeah,
it's Vivian Westwood inspired.
yeah.
Melinda could
You
never.
so much inspired.
Queens, bring back my
Yes,
girls.
let's go.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see.
Girl, let's go. Wala po dito. Asan? Hindi ko po alam.